Hi everyone, it's Philip here from Vet Education. I'm in the beautiful village of Paluma, which you can see in the background, just been mountain biking in the bush. We are just 3 days away from the start of the Abdominal Emergencies in Small Animal Practice. It's the Medical Emergencies course, where we're going to be covering a whole bunch of things. Kicking off next week with the acute abdomen, how to work the patient with acute abdominal pain up, decide if they've got medical or surgical emergencies, and a few other things as well, fast ultrasound scanning and other things too. We'll then move on to talking about pancreatitis the following week, acute gastrointestinal failure the week after that, and finally we'll be wrapping up with a look at acute liver failure. And amongst all of that, we're also going to throw in some urinary tract diseases and other causes of abdominal emergencies in dogs and cats as well. Hope you can join us. Still time to sign up, so make sure you go to the website veteducation.com.au, click on vet courses and look at the Abdominal Emergencies Medical Emergencies course.